In today's video, I will walk you through how to activate voice mode on Claude AI. To begin, open the existing chat that you want to turn into a voice chat. If you prefer to start fresh, you can create a new chat instead. Either option works, so choose the conversation you want to use. If you already have a conversation going and want to continue it using voice, select that same chat. If you're starting a new conversation, begin with a new chat and continue from there. Once you're inside the chat, look at the bottom right corner of the text field. You should see an audio waves icon. Click the audio waves icon to activate voice mode. If this is your first time using the voice feature, your device or browser may ask for permission to access your microphone. If a permission request appears, allow microphone access so you can continue using voice mode. After clicking the audio waves icon and enabling microphone access, you can start talking to Claude AI using your voice. Instead of typing your prompts into the text field, simply speak into your microphone. Continue speaking naturally as you interact with Claude. You can use your voice to ask questions, share your prompts, or continue the conversation. If Claude does not seem to respond correctly, check that the correct microphone is selected on your device. Also, check that microphone permissions are still enabled in your browser. To keep the interaction clear, speak directly into your microphone. Once voice mode is active, continue your conversation by speaking instead of typing. Whenever you want to use voice mode in the chat, look for the audio waves icon at the bottom right of the text field. Click that icon to activate voice mode and begin speaking after your microphone is enabled. The process is simple. Choose the existing chat you want to continue or start a new chat. Then locate the audio waves icon in the bottom right corner of the text field and click it. If you receive a request for microphone access, allow it. Once microphone access is enabled, you can start speaking to Claude AI using your voice. From there, continue the conversation by speaking naturally into your microphone. If there is a problem with the voice interaction, check that the correct microphone is selected and that your browser still has permission to access it. And that's how to activate voice mode on AI. Don't forget to click the link in the description. Thank you for watching.